Hello viewers! Want to get the most out of your workout? The right pre-workout snack can make all the difference. Here are some of the best snacks to fuel your exercise and boost your energy. Banana with almond butter. Bananas provide quick-digesting carbs for immediate energy, while almond butter offers healthy fats and protein to keep you full and energized. Greek yogurt with berries. This combination is high in protein and antioxidants. The yogurt helps build muscle, and the berries fight inflammation and add a touch of natural sweetness. Oatmeal with fruit. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbs, providing sustained energy. Adding fruits like berries or bananas not only sweetens the meal but also adds vitamins and minerals. Whole grain toast with avocado. The toast gives you complex carbs for steady energy, and avocado provides healthy fats to keep you satisfied and focused. Smoothie. Blend up a smoothie with ingredients like spinach, banana, protein powder, and almond milk for a quick, nutritious, and easily digestible option. Apple slices with peanut butter. Apples give you natural sugars for a quick energy boost, and peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats to sustain you. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is rich in protein, and pineapple adds a refreshing sweetness along with digestive enzymes that can help with nutrient absorption. Trail mix. A mix of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit provides a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates for sustained energy. Rice cakes with hummus. Rice cakes are light and provide carbs for energy, while hummus adds protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, and whole grain crackers offer complex carbs for energy. Remember, timing is key. Eat these snacks 30 minutes to an hour before your workout for optimal energy. Also, stay hydrated with water to ensure your body is ready to perform at its best. Fuel your body right, and you'll see the results in your performance. Happy training!